This healing is for Rekha Ben Shah. Banu Ben is doing all her chakras. And she's healing it with the intentions for physical, mental and emotional strength for Rekha Ben. After she's just suffered a setback when she was in India in ICU for 21 days. After she was diagnosed with pneumonia and lots of other health issues. This healing to continue for Rekha Ben for 444 days. But as and when we can, we will come and give her hands-on healing. Thank you, Rekha Ben, for giving us the opportunity for this seva. Thank you. Healing to continue for Rekha Ben.
She needs lots of emotional, physical and mental healing. All hands of healing, hands of light activated, all DD diagrams activated, antibodies activated from her Karna Sharir, Sukshma Sharir and Sthul Sharir now. This healing to continue for next 444 days.
Karina ko cardigan. Banu Ben is giving healing to Indira Ben today, for her 7 chakras first, and then full recovery of all her knee and ankle and leg issues, which she has been suffering for quite a while. But last few weeks she's got a severe pain in both the knees and on her left ankle. There is we don't know what it is, but it's a lump which is causing a lot more discomfort on the feet when she's walking. This healing will remain in place for Indira Ben for next 444 days, and we will come and give her hands-on healing as and when we can. Thank you, Indira Ben, for this opportunity for us to give you healing in person. Thank you.
Bena is healing Indira Ben's feet. There's bone growth in there. She needs a lot of healing for the feet. Painful. The ankles, swellings in the ankles and the legs are also to reduce. To continue for Indira Ben's knees. The knees need healing. There's swellings in the knees. Separate space around Indira Ben all the time. And Ho'oponopono between her and her ankles and her knees and her feet. This healing to stay activated for the next 44 days. Thank you.